This is the bird fortress, I call it, because this is a solid birdhouse. See, 16 pin nails, go a hole drilled through to the door, you see. Take out the 16 pin nails, and you can open the door and clean out your birdhouse. See? Solid 1.5-inch floor with the very corners cut off. There we go. Very corners cut off so it can drain, you see. At the very corners.
Okay.
1.5-inch solid 1x6 door, 1.5-inch solid 1x6 floor, and the back. And the roof. Solid 1x6. See that roof? Got 3/8 bolts. That's the hinge part. That hinge ain't gonna break, and that door only comes open 2 or 3 times a year. So, you know, that door will be there forever. Now, as I said, the bird fortress has nails. I use grip rate nails, driven an angle on the bottom piece so that it's sure not to come out. About every 3 inches, grip rate nails through this piece of 3/8 plywood. That should last a very long time. 3/8 plywood is very durable to the outside, probably even more so than cedar. Now that you've seen all the wood, the nails, the 3/8 hidden bolt, the very last thing, the corrugated roof. If you look at the side, it's corrugated. It's corrugated. There are air holes all the way through it. So any heat that comes on here does not transfer to the birdhouse. It comes out the holes in the sides. This corrugated plastic will keep the house from overheating. And it'll keep the rain off of it and make it last for years. I expect this birdhouse to still be taking care of birds long after I'm not. And that is the bird fortress. The most durable birdhouse and the best made. I researched all the ones in the store. And I did find some nice ones made of cedar, but their closure didn't work. They had almost the same thing, but they had this little stupid closure here. Why not just drill a hole through, stick a penny, stick something through there, and that's your lock.
No.
I got it in my hole. There we go. And that's your lock. This is the best designed birdhouse I could find. This is a better designed birdhouse than I could find in the store. It's stronger and it'll last longer, and it's just an excellent birdhouse.